Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials: account access, billing method, and tracking pixel, because data drives optimization. Once verified, choose your campaign objective. This determines available bidding and ad formats. Next, name the campaign clearly and select budget style, daily or lifetime, and set a schedule. Make sure to toggle any experimental or split testing options now. You want structure that maps to measurement goals, so pause to align objective, budget, and tracking before moving to audiences and creative. Now you build the middle: audiences, placements, and creative. You layer audience types, custom for retargeting, lookalike for scale, and saved for repeat use, because layered signals reduce wasted spend. Then pick placements: automatic for broad reach, manual when format control matters, make adjustments for mobile or desktop. Upload creatives and set headlines, CTA, and URL parameters. Once done, preview ads across placements and ensure tracking ID populate. This reduces rework and protects measurement integrity before launch. You're at final steps. Review every setting slowly and confirm bids, delivery optimization, and campaign limits align with goals. Run pre-launch checks, fire pixel events in real time, click a test ad to validate UTMs, and preview creatives on devices. Once live, monitor initial 24-48-hour performance and pacing. Make small bid or budget adjustments only after enough data. If things go wrong, check policy rejections, budget pacing, and missing tracking. Those three solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.